Colorado's morning news. Is sticker shock becoming more common when looking at your car insurance bill? Data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics shows the cost of car insurance was 7% higher last month compared to the same time a year ago.
So what's behind the surging costs, and can you do anything about it? Joining us now on the KOA Common Spirit Health Hotline is insurance expert and head of the Northwest Insurance Agency in Texas. It's Mark Villasana. Mark, thank you so much for your time this morning.
Thank you guys for having me. How are y'all today?
Doing well. Our business and money editor, Pat Woodard, joining us on this conversation as well, as some people have already seen some of that sticker shock when we look at our car insurance rates and the rise of them. What do you believe are some of the top factors that can just cause this initial rise?
Well, I'd say first off, we need to understand that insurance is like any other business entity. They're in it to make money. So they're going to adjust their rates with that in mind. And first thing I'd say is that the cost of the vehicles today are significantly higher than what it might have been in the past. So right off the bat, the insurance companies are guaranteeing to pay more money just in the fact that they're insuring vehicles for more.
What's maybe most frustrating about this for car owners, I think, is a sense of powerlessness. Is there anything that we do have control over, and what might we be able to do to keep the interest rates, or not interest rates, insurance rates lower?
Well, I would say the first thing we need to do is shop it around, right? Compare rates. Car insurance companies are like any other entity. Everybody has their niche. So what one particular company might not have an appetite for a particular type of driver in the record, another insurance company will welcome that driver in record. So the first thing I would say is you need to compare for quotes. Next thing, something you might want to do is ask for discounts. A lot of companies will, if you bundle insurance, your home and your auto, they will give you a discount. Or you might ask for what other type of discounts are available. For example, someone who works from home would pay a cheaper rate from someone who is constantly in their vehicle driving. A lot of different things we can do. If you get married, that's one way to significantly reduce your costs. A lot of insurance companies do give discounts if you're married or even have a domestic partner. And one last significant thing I would suggest is raise your deductibles. If you have comprehensive and collision coverage, I would suggest raising your deductibles, and what that allows the company to do. The company takes less risk on because they're agreeing to pay. You're agreeing to pay more money out of pocket should you have an accident. So if you're deductible, the premiums come down.
Mark, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, I'd say those are just some quick hints that would help. Initially, I'd start there.
Mark, I was going to say, one of the things, I live with the belief, and correct me if I'm wrong, that older cars are cheaper to insure. I've always believed that. Is that the case?
Actually, today it is more so the case than any time in the country. People are holding on to their vehicles more. I would say in the past, the average consumer held on to a vehicle about 10 to 11 years, and I'm seeing people hold on to a vehicle for 12 plus years. So, yes, that has caused insurance rates to go down because, again, the insurance company is saying that are taking on less risk. As the vehicle has less value, the company is taking on less risk. So that will cause your rates to go down.
Mark, in wrapping up with you, we talk about every type of political markets and things that are going on and the turbulence of it. Are there economic factors that are just going on in the world that can also just contribute to the rise in car insurance rates?
Well, we talk about trickle-down economics, and unfortunately, these tariffs are having some trickle-down effects on the insurance industry. You have to remember, insurance companies basically are taking your money and investing it in the market. So as the market goes, the insurance rate goes. Unfortunately, that's the case. So as we see the market take dips, you are going to see increase in insurance rates.
Insurance expert and head of the Northwest Insurance Agency in Texas, Mark Villasana. Thanks, Mark.
Thank you for having me.